Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like girl's top, baby frock and muffler. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Both sides are same. So this is 12 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 6 plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 6 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 20 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches, multiple of 6, 3 times 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18 and plus 2 edge stitches 20. Here I make this pattern after cast on. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Purl edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat. Purl 3, knit 3. This is 6 stitches pattern 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches have yarn in front? Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is complete now. Second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat. Purl 3, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How many do you have? So purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. This row we make same as row first. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat. Purl 3, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row, wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Fourth row is complete now. Fifth row and right side, slip pinch and pull these all stitches till the end of row. Yarn in back, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete now. Sixth row wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back and again knit these all stitches. Knit edge from wrong side. Now this is 7 row right side, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 3. First we make purl 3 in first row. Now we make knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front. Here we make knit 3 and here we make purl 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat, knit 3, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit edge from right side. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern. Now this is 8 row and wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here, start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat, knit 3, purl 3. Again, we repeat this pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit edge from right side. Now this is row 9 right side. Again we make this row same as row 7, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat, knit 3, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is completed now. 10th row wrong side, slip edge and purl these all stitches till the end of row. Yarn in back, knit edge from wrong side. And this is row 11 right side, slip edge, yarn in back and knit these all stitches till the end of row. knit edge from right side. Row 11 is completed on row 12 wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Knit edge from wrong side. Row 12 is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 12 rows, and after repetition of 12 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.